Hello students, today we'll study electoral politics. Now, why do we require elections? Elections क्यों जरूरी है? See, if it's a small community or a small family where everybody can be a part of the discussion and decision making, it is very easy. But to make decisions on a bigger scale, we need representatives. And these representatives need to be elected. Hence, in brief, to summarize, we require elected representatives, and that is why elections are held. The newspaper report is about the State Assembly election in Haryana in 1987. Which newspaper report are we talking of? We are talking about the assembly elections in Haryana. The time is after midnight. An expectant crowd sitting for the past 5 hours in a chalk of the town is waiting for its leader to come. The organizers assure and reassure the crowd that he would be here any moment. The crowd stands up whenever a passing vehicle comes that way. It assures hope that he has come. The leader is Mr. Devilal, chief of the Haryana Sangharsh Samiti, who was to address a meeting in Karnal on Thursday night. The 76-year-old leader is a very busy man these days. His day starts at 8 am and ends at after 11 pm. He had already addressed 9 election meetings since morning, been constantly addressing public meetings for the past 23 months and preparing for the election. So here is a case where a leader is very busy, even though he is 76 years of age. At this time, most of the people, they prefer to sit down in the bed or lie down in the bed or sit at home. But here Devilal, the chief of the Haryana Sangharsh Samiti, he is for the past 23 months, almost 2 years, he is making political rallies. And his day begins at 8 o'clock in the morning and ends at 11 in the night. So in his address, in his rallies, he used to go from village to village. And as you all know, Haryana is a place where the people are mostly farmers. He addresses the farmers, telling them that the moment his government comes into power, they would waive away the loans that the farmers have taken. The farmers and the small businessmen have taken. So when the elections were held, out of 90 seats, 76 seats went to Devilal's alliance. All those parties who had aligned with Devilal, 76 seats went to them out of total seat of 90. In fact, 60 of these 76 seats were of Devilal's party, the Haryana Sangharsh Samiti. Only 5 seats went to the ruling Congress party because the people were not happy with the Congress party. Okay, so the newspaper report is about the state assembly election in Haryana in 1987. The state had been ruled by a Congress party led government since 1982. Chaudhry Devilal, then an opposition leader, led a movement called Nyay Yudh, that is, Struggle for Justice, and formed a new party, Lok Dal. His party joined other opposition parties to form a front against the Congress in the elections. In the election campaign, Devilal said that if his party won the elections, his government would waive the loans of the farmers and small businessmen. He promised that this would be the first action of his government. सबसे पहले अगर कुछ काम करूँगा तो तुम्हारे कर्ज माफ कर दूंगा. Now the farmers will be very happy, the small businessmen would be very happy, and naturally they would shift their loyalty from the Congress to Mr. Devilal's party. The people were unhappy with the existing government. They were also attracted by Devilal's promise. So when elections were held, so when the elections were held, they voted overwhelmingly in favor of the Lok Dal and its allies. Lok Dal and its partners won 76 out of 90 seats in the state assembly. Lok Dal alone won 60 and thus had a clear majority in the assembly. The Congress could win only 5 seats. Once the election results were announced, the sitting chief minister resigned. The new elected members of the Legislative Assembly of the Lok Dal chose Devi Lal as their leader. 3 days after the elections results were declared, he became the chief minister. As soon as he became the chief minister, his government issued a government order waiving the outstanding loans of small farmers, agricultural laborers, and small businessmen. So, as he had promised, he fulfilled his promise. The moment he became the chief minister of Haryana, he wavered away the loan. Waver मतलब माफ़ कर देना. उन्होंने जो लोन लिया था फार्मर्स ने, लेबर्स ने, फार्म लेबर्स ने और स्मॉल बिजनेसमैन ने, इन सब ने जो कर्ज लिया था उसको माफ़ करवा दिया. तो जैसा उसने कहा वैसा किया, लेकिन फिर भी उसकी सरकार पूरी 5 साल नहीं चल पाई. हाँ, his party ruled the state for 4 years only. The next election was held in 1991. But this time, his party did not win popular support. The Congress won the election and formed the government.